This video will be focused on using the quotient rule when negative exponents are involved. So, when looking at the problem, y to the negative fifth over y to the negative third, the first thing we want to do is turn our negative exponents to positive exponents.
Well, how do we do that?
In order to make an exponent positive, we simply flip the variable to the opposite side of the fraction. So for our problem at hand, we flip the y to the negative fifth to the bottom, and this equation becomes 1 over y to the negative third times y to the positive fifth.
Oh, okay, cool, but why do we do that?
To answer the why, we must first understand what a negative exponent means. So we know 5 to the second means 5 times 5. So 5 to the negative 2 means the exact opposite.
Well, what is the opposite of 5 times 5?
The opposite is division. 5 to the negative second power is the exact same as writing 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. To prove this, 1 divided by 5 divided by 5 plugged into your calculator equals 0.04. Now, if we take what we did to the y to the negative fifth and flip this equation over here to the bottom, we get 1 over 5 to the second. 1 over 5 to the second equals 1 over 5 times 5. Plug that into your calculator, and you guessed it, the answer is 0.04. Now, going back to our problem, we still have a negative exponent right here. So what we want to do is for y to the negative 3, move it to the other side of the fraction, and we get y to the third over y to the fifth.
Oh, okay, so to get rid of the negative exponents, we flip the value to the opposite side of the fraction. So for our problem, we have y to the third over y to the fifth, and we're done, right?
Well, we are close, but we still need to simplify. Since y to the third and y to the fifth have the exact same variable, we can simplify by subtracting the exponents. So, for y to the third over y to the fifth, it can be simplified into 1 over y to the second.
Whoa, hold up, why would we do that? Y to the third power over y to the fifth power and 1 over y to the second power look like two completely different equations.
Well, a different way to think about this would be to expand y to the third over y to the fifth power. So, y to the third in expanded form looks like y times y times y. And then this y to the third would be over y to the fifth, which would look like
Y times y times y times y times y.
That's right. And now we want to cancel out the y's because y divided by y is equal to 1. So what we're left with, after canceling out all of these y's, 1, 2, 3 y's up top, 1, 2, 3 y's at the bottom, would be,
Oh, we are left with 1 over y times y, and y times y is y to the second power. So the answer is 1 over y to the second power.
there, now you have it. So, would you mind summarizing for us what we've learned?
Yeah, no problem. We first want to make our negative exponents positive by flipping them to the opposite side of the fraction. Then we want to simplify the fraction by combining like terms.
Perfect.